features are available. Lutein, or plant egg yolks, represent nature's most bioavailable source of lutein and zeaxanthin, delivering these crucial carotenoids. Because these eggs contain 10 times more omega-3s and 15 times more vitamin A than factory farmed eggs. Put in 1 teaspoon of excellent butter stirring constantly to preserve the delicate molecules that prepare the temperature together. Heat or cook until the eggs are hard, because this destroys 70% of the protective nutrients. According to research from the American Rebu, compared to the egg, salt, and fresh cooked plant-based protein mineral absorption, and cheese or milk, which can interfere with carotenoid uptake. 2. Bilberries. These examples of the Goji berries are small red berries from the Himalayas that have been used in traditional Chinese medicine for 2,000 years, specifically for body. But modern science has now proven why they work so effectively. Goji berries contain the highest concentration of zeaxanthin found in any food on Earth, which is 15 times more than any other source. And this specific carotenoid accumulates research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition tracked 850 seniors over 2 years and discovered that eating wild salmon twice weekly reduced the risk of advanced macular degeneration by 68%. The participants who consumed salmon before bed showed even more dramatic results, with a 74% improvement in tear production and a 56% reduction in daily symptoms. The factor that determines whether you get these benefits lies in choosing wild-caught wildfowls. Because wild salmon contains 5 times more histidine and 40% more omega-3s. You should consume a 4-ounce portion of wild salmon approximately 2 hours before sleep. Wild is seasoned with goji, which increases the anti-inflammatory effects by 300% according to studies from UCLA. Up to 15 minutes until it fades easily. Because high heat destroys the restructure.
Avoid Atlantic salmon completely, as 99% of it is farmed, and contains only 20% of the vision-protecting nutrients found in wild Alaskan varieties. Pair your salmon with a small portion of quinoa or brown rice to stabilize blood sugar during sleep, which prevents inflammatory spikes that can damage retinal blood vessels. 4. Sweet potatoes. Nightly fuel for vision. Sweet potatoes contain something extraordinary that most people completely overlook. A unique form of beta-carotene.
When you consume sweet potatoes before bed, your liver begins a fascinating process that starts exactly 2 hours after consumption. The beta-carotene molecules travel through your bloodstream and accumulate in the retinal tissue, where specialized cells, called retinal pigment epithelial cells, use them to regenerate rhodopsin, which is the protein that allows you to see in the
to steam or bake the sweet potato with the skin on for exactly 35 to 40 minutes at 375 degree F, because this temperature preserves the heat-sensitive compounds while breaking down the cellular walls for better absorption.
Adding just 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or grass-fed butter increases the bioavailability by 400%, because beta-carotene is fat-soluble and requires lipids for proper absorption. Eat 1 medium sweet potato approximately 90 minutes before bedtime. Make sure to consume it with the skin, which contains unique antioxidants that protect your optic nerve from oxidative stress during sleep. You can microwave sweet potatoes if you want these vision benefits.
The vitamin C and GLA powerhouse black currants possess the highest concentration of vitamin C and gamma-linic acid GLA found in any fruit, creating a unique combination that triggers intensive retinal repair during your deepest sleep cycles. These small dark berries contain 4 times more vitamin C than oranges and 20 times more anthocyanins than blueberries. But what makes them truly extraordinary for vision is their rare omega-6 fatty acid that your body converts into powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, specifically targeting eye tissue. Each cup of black currants delivers 300 milligrams of vitamin C and 800 milligrams of GLA, which work together to rebuild collagen in your cornea and strengthen the delicate blood vessels feeding your retina. Research from King's College London studied 500 seniors over 18 months and discovered that consuming black currants before bed improved visual acuity by an average of 45% and reduced intraocular pressure by 32%. The
participants who had early-stage glaucoma showed the most dramatic improvements, with 78% experiencing stabilization or reversal of optic nerve damage. The optimal consumption method requires eating half a cup of fresh black currants. Avoid consuming black currants with iron supplements or red meat as iron blocks. GLA conversion by up to 60%. 6. Bilberries. The night vision regenerator bilberries contain anthocyanicides that are so powerful for vision repair that British Royal Air Force pilots consumed them during World War II to enhance their night vision. Modern research has confirmed these effects are even more pronounced in seniors. These dark purple berries from northern Europe possess 15 groundbreaking study from the European Journal of Ophthalmology followed 400 seniors with early-stage macular degeneration and found that consuming bilberry extract before bed reduced disease progression by 73% over 2 years. The participants experienced a 67% improvement in night vision, a 49% reduction in eye fatigue, and remarkably 28% reported being able to read without glasses for the first time in years. To harness these vision repairing benefits, consume 1
The critical timing factor involves consuming bilberries on an empty stomach or with a small amount of plain yogurt, because protein enhances anthocyanin absorption while carbohydrates reduce it by up to 50%. Never consume bilberries with
time your consumption so you're lying down within 90 minutes, because the horizontal position increases blood flow to your eyes by 25% and enhances chlorine delivery to the macula. For seniors, losing hope in their vision. This seed holds the power to let things happen. 90 minutes of water isn't always the best drink before bed. For seniors struggling with insomnia, restless nights, nighttime awakenings, or early morning fatigue, these 7 powerful sleep-enhancing drinks can change your life. Each one works differently, but consistency is key. Your body responds best when you give it the same signals every day. Choose one of these drinks, consume it regularly for 12 days, and track the results. We'd love to hear from you. Have you tried a bedtime drink to help you sleep better? Which one was most effective?